Hey everyone, I'm going on vacation pretty soon, so I like to leave my house clean before I go on vacation because when you come home, you're exhausted and you gotta unpack. So having a clean house, clean fridge, clean bedroom, bed made with fresh clean sheets, vacuum, smelling spectacular, every garbage out, it's a game changer. So once you come home, you could rest for the first day and then you go and pack whenever you decide. But you don't have to worry about cleaning when you come home from a vacation because you left it clean. So today we're gonna clean out the fridge. As you can see, there's a lot of containers that I have, and that's the food for this week that we're gonna try to eat. And whatever's expired, it's going in the garbage. And I don't keep my fridge packed because I hate wasting food. So as long as they're like the minimal in the fridge, it's fine with me. You can say it look empty, I don't care. I know I have a system. All right, so let's get to it. I do take those things out and wipe everything down the night before I leave or the day before I leave. I'm not gonna do it today because there's no point. All right, guys, there you go. The way I clean my fridge. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.